TD. Alright guys, Jamie Box Breaks 9 to 7 p.m. each time on the 25th of September. Breaking only 2 boxes of 2023 Mosaic football. Good luck. I did the random on the post, guys. Under the tag video, you can see a screenshot of your second team. Always try to fill football breaks during my Eagles games. Every time, never fails. Never fails. Sorry if it's too loud, guys. It's pretty low on my end. This game still sucks. We should have way more points than we do. I'm glad we're going to hopefully win. Who we got on, guys? Alright, box one. Alan Ginter is posted. I think that's... I'm not sure if anything else comes out this week, to be honest with you guys. Alright, we got a Devon Chain. Joe Burrow, National Pride. We got Tariq Woolen on the silver. Ray Lewis on the silver. Bijan. We got Lamar Jackson. We got a CJ Stroud on the debut. National Pride of Justin Herbert. We got a Cooper Kupp silver. We got a gold. It's going to be Zach Charbonnet. Number 10 for Seattle. I think that's how you say his name. There you go, Daniel. With the gold. One of their newest rookies. I think you had them, didn't you? You picked Seattle? Yes. Alright, we got Nick Foles, Moments in Time. Got the center stage of Tyler Aguirre. We got Lamar. We got a redemption. It's going to be Michael Mayer, rookie autographs, Mosaic red. Can somebody help me out? Where is Michael Mayer at? I do not recall who that is. I know I believe he's a rookie. Alright, we got a red of Anthony Munoz. Silver of Mapu. We got a Justin Jefferson silver. Is chat working, guys? No one's saying anything. We got Travis Kelce on the silver. Randy Moss silver. He is Vikings in that. We got Deshaun Jackson, Moments in Time. CeeDee Lamb on the silver. Raiders. Alright, thanks, Brian. Team nobody took. So who ended up with them? Where did someone take them? I don't think anyone took them. Hate when this list is like that. Someone did take them. Jason did. That's his team. So you get them, Jason. Thanks, Brian. Alright, we got a Quentin Johnston. Devontae Adams. Silver of Ray Lewis. We got a red of Brock Purdy. This is his second year. We got Tua. Trey Lance. Silver. We got Nahiba. Mac Jones, National Pride. We got Will Anderson on the orange. That is number 2/199 for the Texans. And they need to stop running the ball. Our defense is killing them with that. We got Henry Ellard, Aaron Rodgers. We got a silver of LeGarrette Blount. It's actually a blue, number 99. All right, Kid Reporter. You got Dan Marino. Next up, we got Trenton Simpson on the silver auto for the Ravens. Ravens, I mean. Ravers. I'm fucking tired, guys. I've been up early and had a long day. Ravens going to Richard. The Ravers. No problem, Nathan. Nolan Smith. We got Frank Tarkenton on the red. Kelsey. We got Derrick Henry on the montage silver. We got a Julius Brents. That is for Colts on the red. Nathan, I posted Ginter. You got a good checklist for the D-backs. We got Zach Martin silver. We got Patrick Mahomes. Brock Purdy on the audible silver. Got Randy White on the Hall of Fame. Dalton Kincaid on the debut. Jalen Waddle, National Pride. Cedric Tillman on the silver. Ready, Hendon Hooker orange, number 2/199. Yes, he dropped it. Dude, Evans has been dropping the ball all night. It's unlike him. I think because of the rain. We got Kelsey and George Kittle. We'll go to the team on the left. Bryce Young. We got Jerry Rice on the Hall of Fame. We got Bryce Young on the NFL debut. Next up, we got B.J. Ojulari, number 299 for the Cardinals. Yeah, I got 2 Ginter cases. I think that's all I'm really breaking this week. You get Darren Payne on the silver. Carbon copy of Stephon Diggs and Lamb goes to the team on the left. And Brock Purdy. Alright, so that's it for box number 1. Alright, number 2. Good product. It's just football's just getting too expensive anymore. I mean, you fill 2 boxes that cost a ton. You gotta start lowering these eventually. The value's just not there on a full case. I mean, at least they're not Prism prices, but still. Rain is really coming down again. Alright guys, box 2. Last and final. Alright, we got National Pride of T-Law. It's way off center up top. We got Ray Lewis, Hall of Fame. We got T.J. Hawkinson, orange, number 2/199 for the Vikings. All right, we got a silver of John Randall. Josh Jacobs and Henry goes to the team on the left. We got Dante Hall. We got Marvin Mims. Jalen Waddle. Ready, Trevor Lawrence. These are one of the case hits, aren't they? They're not numbered, but it is a different. I'm not sure the pattern. I believe this is a case hit. Could be wrong. Maybe it's just a red, but it looks different to me. A silver of Ojulari. We got a center stage of Adam Thielen. Sorry, I missed this card. It was John Elway. We got a Adam Thielen on the silver. We got Stephon Diggs, Randy Moss. Austin Eckler silver. We got a blue of Trenton Simpson, number 299 for the Ravens. Yeah, he's dude, Carter's a beast, bro. Have you seen how he's been playing? You got Anthony Richardson. See that punch out tonight? It's crazy. You got Nick Chubb. He was the best defensive guy picked in that draft. This is way off. Look how bad this centering is. The rookie's half cut off. Jesus Christ, Panini. All right, we got Dermontti Dawson to 199. The shot, no one actually picked Pittsburgh. They were a random. Going to Delgado. All right, we got a red of Cedric Tillman. Silver of Shaq Thompson. It's going to be Micah Parsons and Roquan going to Micah. Silver of Jimmy Garoppolo, who looked like straight ass last night. He looks horrible. We got Will Levis. Yeah, these are cut bad, guys. They did a bad job. I don't know if anyone else has had cards like this, but these cuts on the cards are terrible. Dalvin Cook. We got Devin Witherspoon, Eddie George Silvers. Introductions of Zay Flowers. We got introductions of Quentin Johnson on the silver. That is bad. I've never seen something so bad. It's the worst cut I've ever seen in the product. Joe Namath. We got C.J. Stroud on the rookie. Quentin Johnson on the silver. Another silver of Deontay Johnson. We got Jackson Smith-Njigba. Stephon Diggs. We got Jalen Hyatt, Derrick Henry, Nolan Smith. We got Mark Andrews silver. We got the orange of Richard Dent for the Bears, number 2, 199. We got a Joe Montana silver of Tyler Algier, I don't know who that is. New guy. We do have a white coming up. I believe they're limited. We got Jackson Smith-Njigba. Again, the centering is absolutely terrible. Jalen Hurts silver. We got Shaquille Leonard on the red. Oh, that's a good one coming up. We got Josh Jacobs. We got a splash silver of Patty Mahomes. How many are these per case, guys? Is this one per case, or are they falling more than one? I didn't look up the print runs and stuff because I only had 2 boxes, so. But we'll take it. Splash of Patty Mahomes. Kermit the Frog. Alright, we got Devon Achane. Look how bad that is, guys. It's supposed to be like right here. It's like, it's terrible. Joe Burrow, that's supposed to be like down here. Alright, got a white of Jair Brown for San Fran, number 25. Dude, I don't care what anyone says. DeAndre Swift right now looks like the best freaking running back in football. If he stays healthy, dude, that kid is a beast. We got him for nothing. We got Taysom Hill silver. We got Stroud. We got a center stage of Christian McCaffrey for San Fran, number 299. He's just explosive. I hope to God he stays healthy. We need him for the rest of the year. All right, we got Justin Herbert, and our next auto is going to be Tank Bigsby for Jacksonville. Jacksonville was John on his random. Yeah, Kenneth Walker silver, a red of Will Anderson Jr. So we can go to Kenny Pickett, and then Mac Jones, and a silver of Dante Hall. Nothing too crazy there, guys. Apologize. I know, that's what I'm saying, John. I'm watching it. He just broke one for like 40 freaking... Dude, he's freaking a stud. Alright, guys, I appreciate it. I will have this sorted in the mail tomorrow along with last night's Leaf Trinity Baseball if you're a part of that. Again, Alan Ginter is posted. Got 2 cases at the break. It is hitting pretty good this year so far, from what I've seen. All right, guys, take care. Have a good night. Talk to y'all soon.